Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can top up your crypto.com Visa card with fiat currency so you can receive cashback when you buy stuff in the shops. If you want to know more about how lucrative this could possibly be and learn more about the cashback rewards, check out this video. So now let's get straight into it. Alright, so you open the crypto.com app. You go to card, you click on top up. You can top it up with crypto, with fiat. So I have some money in my fiat wallet. So you choose the amount you put on your card. So then this is the balance with which you can buy stuff with that card. And you don't have to exchange your Bitcoin or precious cryptocurrencies for it. So I top up my card with some euros. You enter your passcode and voila, you have topped up your money to your card. As you can see, I'm making cashback everywhere I go. It will arrive very shortly. So when you click on your currency, voila, boom, euro deposit 250 euros. So that's great. So now I can spend that money and receive cashback rewards. I have the Jane Green card, which means I get 2%. So on every purchase I make, I get 2% in cashback in CRO, which in turn I can stake and make more CRO. So that's an extra passive income again. So if you like learning about passive income and you want to build long-term passive income streams, make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. If you haven't registered yet on crypto.com and if you want some extra cash for free, I suggest you use my referral link in the video description. If you use that one, you will receive some free dollars. So make sure to use a referral link, because if you don't use one, you'll get nothing. So that's another tip. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It gives me motivation to make more videos. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below. Share your thoughts. How do you love the crypto.com app? I absolutely love it. It's so easy to use. It's crazy. It's cool. And I always have my money on my phone. I can do any transactions that I want, so it's super easy. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the Crypto Mining channel. I wish you guys a great day and talk to you soon. Bye bye.